In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Twitch profile picture on mobile, and this will work on both Android devices and iOS. So keep in mind that if you're using the Twitch app, you'll notice that if I tap on the three lines at the top of the screen, and then I go to settings, and then I go to account, you'll see that I don't have an option to edit my profile picture, only the option to edit my bio. So what I need to do now is go to the browser on my phone and type in twitch.tv. As you can see, I have it in my search history, so twitch.tv. And then what you need to do is switch to the desktop version of the site. So you tap on the three lines, the three vertical lines at the top right of the screen, and then you tap on desktop site. Now this is an Android device and it may be a little bit different on your device, but that is how you would do it on an Android. It's pretty similar on iOS. And then you can zoom in, and then you can go to your profile picture at the top right, you tap on it, and then you can go to settings, go all the way to the left, and then click update profile picture, and then you will have the option to update your profile picture with a picture from your camera roll. So if you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and technology every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in tomorrow's video.